Hello guys, in today's video we are going to quickly look at the coordinate graph and how to locate points using the coordinate graph. I will show you what is called the ordered pair. Continue with this video because it's going to be very interesting. A coordinate graph is a set of two number lines that run perpendicular to one another. Now, these are the two perpendicular number lines. These lines are called axes. The horizontal number line is the x-axis. Okay, so this is the horizontal number line, and the vertical number line is the y-axis. Okay, so it means that this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Now both number line meet at a point or point of intersection 0, which is called the origin. Okay, now do not forget that the coordinate graph can also be called Cartesian number system or Cartesian plane. Cartesian coordinate system can be used to plot points and graph lines. Okay, so that is what this graph is used for. Okay, so now I am going to talk about the ordered pair. The ordered pair is a pair of numbers in a specific order. Now what do we mean by that? Where you have a number like this, okay, 6 and 8, which is a point. Okay, now this 8, the first number is represented with x or by x. Okay, so now this is the x-axis, so x, and then the second number is represented by what? Y. Okay, so that is the ordered pair. So it means that you are going to plot 8 on y, oh sorry, x on y. Okay, so the first number in a point is the x, while the second is the y. Okay, so when you are asked to locate a distance or a point on a graph or on the map, the first thing you should do is to label your point x and y, and then plot x on y. So now let me explain with this example. Now take for example 6 and 8, which is a point. Now let's find this point in the graph. So we are going to label it x and what? Y. And then the first thing we're going to do is we're going to the x-axis. So where is 6? So this is 6, and then we're going to move up like this to where we get to 8, and then this is 8. Okay, so we are going to put a point or a mark. Okay, so that point is the point of these. This is a point in a map. Sorry, this is the point in a map. Okay, so that is very simple. Now what if we have it flipped? For example, you have 8 on 6. Okay, so now let's see if it's still going to give us the same point on the map. Let's try. Okay, so now the first thing we're going to do, we're going to label x and what? Y. So after label, then you check the value of x in the number line, and x-axis is the first thing you do. So this is 8, and then we move up to where 6 is, and then you have 6 here. Okay, so you see it is very different. All right, so if I would tell you why is it different, it is different because of the ordered pair. Okay, all right, now let's take another example. What if you have 0 on 5? Okay, now 0 on 5, which is a point. So the 0 is x, and then the 5 is y. So now let's look for 0 on the x-axis, and this is 0, and then we'll move up to where 5 is. It is very simple. Okay, so what about 5 on 0? Okay, so let's see that. So you have 5 on 0, so we look at 5 on the x-axis, and then we move down this way, and this is 0 on the y-axis. So it is very simple. Okay, now what if we have 2 points? What if we are asked to find 2 points in a coordinate graph, or show the 2 points in a coordinate graph. It is very simple. Now let's take, for example, we have point A, which is 4 and 3, and point B, which is 6 and 5. Okay, now the first thing we are going to do is we are going to label it X and Y. So now 4 and 3 as X and Y, and 6 and 5 as X and Y, which is that you're seeing on the screen. Okay, so we are moving to the number line now. Sorry, we're moving to the graph, to the map, to the grid, to see or to locate those points. So 4 and 3. So we are going to check the number line X to find 4. So where is 4? This is 4. So we are going to move it up to where 3 is and then put a point. Okay, very simple. This is 3, this is 3, and then this is 4, and then they meet at this point. And then we are going to locate the point B, which is 6 on the x-axis and 5 on the y-axis. Okay, so you put a point here. So you have 2 points, and then you tag this point B and this point A. So this is how to find a point or a distance or a place in a map. It is very, very simple. So in the next video, I am going to show, or we are going to learn how to find the midpoint in a graph, how to locate or how to determine midpoint. I'm also going to show you formulas to calculate midpoint of a Cartesian plane. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you guys. I know you have learned something today. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share this video to your families and friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.